Hi guys, welcome to Grow World with Nevo. Today I'm going to be showing you a Bitcoin potential trade that can make you cool money. Let's get started. So basically, the whole idea behind this trade is to buy Bitcoin when it's trading above the 50 exponential moving average. This line you can see here now, this red line is 50 exponential moving average. if you look if we look at historical data, whenever Bitcoin closes has a daily close above 50 exponential moving average, it tends to rally by at least 30%. This does not always happen, but most of the time it happens. So let me show you the proof of that. So let's start from the latest one. Here on 1st of October, Bitcoin had a daily close above the 50 exponential moving average. It rallied by the peak by about 40%. In here also, 25th July, it closed above the 50 exponential moving average. It rallied by 48% before it crashed. Now this didn't play out. This didn't play out. So here, it didn't play out. So let me come here again. Now, Bitcoin was below the 50 exponential moving average. Now, had a daily close above it here, and it rallied by 35% here. So here this didn't play out. Here also it's closed above the 50 exponential moving average. It rallied by 31%. So basically the whole idea is to buy Bitcoin. Okay, also here again it's closed above, and this it did like I think more than 100, about 200 something percent. Now this is a trading strategy. Let me bring them down. 21 moving average. This is the trading strategy for this trade setup. Now, yesterday Bitcoin had a close above the 50 EMA, right? So I'm expecting, if this trade works out as I'm expecting it to have like at least a 30% move. 30% move will bring it to around $57,000. But the question here is now, is this guaranteed to happen? Certainly no. So how am I going to play out this trade? Basically, there are three things Bitcoin could do. The first is it will come up like this and then reverse back, right? So if this happens, I'm already in a trade, but if this happens, so let's say the price throws back and closes below the 50 moving exponential average, I'm going to close the trade. That means that this trade setup did not work out. Another scenario is that price it may go up, go down, something like this, and fail to reach our target of $57,000 and start coming down. Now, what I'm going to use to track this, if this happens, I mean, if this happens, this green line here is the 21 moving exponential average. It's going to catch up. If you look here now, there's going to be a crossover very soon, and the 21 moving average will come on top of this 50 exponential moving average. When that happens, and let's say Bitcoin fails to reach my price target, and the price should fall below. Remember that if you look here, the price is currently above the 21 EMA. If price comes below it, something like here now, a daily close here, I'll close my position, or a large portion of my position. Or if something like this happens here now, I'm going to close it. Now the third part is that if Bitcoin reaches my price target, I'll close about 80% of my position. And then if it keeps going up, I'll keep taking profits as it proceeds. Remember here that the price, if you had bought here, you will have made the target. But even if you didn't wait for a target, it closed below the 21 EMA, you will have closed your position. Same thing here. This is a very, very profitable trade strategy, and I'm already in a position. Now, another potential setup is to look at altcoins. Something like Solana. Solana does well with Bitcoin. Solana currently is below the 50 EMA. So one strategy may be try to front run it and buy it. Hopefully it does well and come up. And that I'm on the phantom position. I entered it yesterday. So you see that it's above the 50 EMA and it's doing well. Then you can also look at AVAX. You can see that AVAX has come up. Then you can look at Luna also does well. But Luna is currently below the 21 and 51 and 50 EMA. Then another one is Harmony. See the Harmony is catching up. Then Sand is well above this. So basically this is a trade that has the potential of making you big amount of money. Remember that if this trade setup works out, and maybe if you can use leverage, that's if you know what you're doing, right? So 30% move for Bitcoin can be 60%, can be 90%, it can be over 100%. Remember that this setup is not guaranteed to work. That's why you should also have a backup plan with a stake here, that if things that could happen, and when they happen, and when I'm going to close my trade. Let me know if you are going to take this trade in the comment section. Also, please do not fail to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you'd like me to be bringing more crypto content, you can also drop it in the comment section. See you in our next video. Bye.